Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm doing a special one. So there's a contest, and you can win stuff, and it's from Nissan Cup Noodles. They're celebrating their 50th anniversary of the Cup Noodle. It came out in 1971. Basically, the story is Momofuku Ando, the patron saint of instant noodles, was on an airplane and saw people taking his regular instant noodles, busting them up and putting them in coffee cups and putting boiling water on them, and so they had a noodle in a cup. Well, he figured, well, hey, if people are already doing this, I can package it, make it go. And he did. So that's why we have this right here. I'm gonna use one of the noodle blocks, a lot of the seasoning from these. It's gonna be a little different. I'm literally gonna have to crack open a bunch of these and dump the seasoning and vegetables into something. Hopefully we win a prize with this sucker. I think it's innovative, don't you? Let's do it. You want to push the button? Alright, do it. Our bread is done. I used one noodle block that I cooked. So in this, there's one noodle block that was cooked and drained. All the seasoning and little bits that I could shake out of 9 more cups. So in total, $10 cups. So let's have a look. Wow, what a well-behaved loaf. Bread. It's definitely got a chicken flavor to it. It's very light and subtle. As you can see, there's lots of veggies in here. Yeah, it's good. It's got a light crust, a light flavor. Yeah, I think most people would like this. Well, what do you do with this stuff? I got an idea. So I got this little sandwich making thing, but I kind of had to manually hold the sucker down the whole time. But yeah, cup noodles bread with cup noodles inside and some cheese, and I put a little bit of spring onion on top. Let's give this a try. As you can see, there are noodles inside. Well, there you go, Cup Noodles fans. I hope you enjoy. Happy birthday to Cup Noodles. Congratulations to the Ando family for such amazing innovation over the years. And yeah, there'll be more bread eventually, but this is the last one for a while. I said the last one was gonna be the last one I did, but I had to do this. It said there was a contest. It's a special anniversary. Why not? Came out good. All right, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.